trailer number 2. That's the original trailer, right?
Yeah, that's it. That's T1.
T1?
This T2.
T2.
Making moves, man. Making moves.
Oh,
alright, JW. This your Jake plate.
Jake plate.
Looks as good as me. My favorite plate.
JP. Jake plate.
That's it. My latest plate there with the famous baked beans. Banjo BQ 3rd place last year. We're coming for 1st. We'll see.
And I see you repping the Peerless crew.
Oh, that's where it stemmed from. This porch powered by Peerless.
So the Smoke Show Barbecue is owned by 3 of John's friends. And I was on John's Instagram last night just scrolling through, and then I came across this picture. And it made me really hungry, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna stop by and check it out. It tastes even better in person. So if you're from like the Augusta area, make sure to come check them out because it's on point.
Canada.
Canada.
It's made in Canada?
What kind of crap is that?
Smells like maple syrup. That's a good location for the DSP5 switch.
True.
We're gonna roll coal, baby?
Ooh. Hey, you don't need it.
Ah, you're right.
Look at this douche. Getting a...
Yes, I've already heard
What a
about my
douche.
Lord and Savior Jesus Christ.
Where's Connor? Is he here?
Chill out. Chill out, dude. I told you last Saturday I already go to church. Don't hit my truck! Boom!
Slow is free.
Roll call, baby. Oh. That front wheel drive.
You putting 150 horsepower one on? I'm just gonna do them all. We got 2 more. It don't take long.
Crazy, boy.
Alright, I'm going home. Alright. Just crank it up and drive.
And then just tune it while you're driving.
Just
boy, what does that
put the
even
fastest
mean?
one on and let's go home.
Yeah. Spencer wants to go home and play Call of Duty.
I don't think I am. My boy Tyler Roberts doesn't want to play with me. He's seeing his girlfriend tonight. So dumb.
So dumb.
Why are you so dumb?
Damn, why are your windows so dark? Boy, what is this? Like 5%?
In the back it is.
Damn. Look at this. We go.
Oh my god.
Boy.
That was dark.
Oh yeah, it's fast. Sure.
I don't think it's 200 horsepower. Plus, I don't know. I know it might be hooked up already.
Huh?
Same thing as mine, yeah.
Is it smoking?
Yeah. I wonder if the TCM tune will fix that. It's LMLs, that's why. They just suck balls.
Look at all that smoke. That's from you.
You can tell? I mean, it's kind of huge power.
Doing this, boy. That's a lot of smoke.
That was a lot.
That was a lot.
That was the most one, I think.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I'm just loading up some stuff for the snowboarding trip tomorrow. By the time you guys see this video, I should be on my way to Virginia. And I'm going to try to do like a daily vlog. I'm going to meet up with a couple of truck guys, but I'm going to try to just do a daily vlog. And I know you guys love seeing John. And John's going to be acting a fool. And it's just going to be awesome. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss anything. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace, okay?